after coming to Australia, you get to celebrate a lot of festivals.
Yes.
Wait, chill. What happened to you?
Build it up to burn it back down. वेलकम ऑल, मैं हूँ युवराज
और मैं हूँ रोहिणी.
और आप सबका पिक्सल कहानियों में स्वागत है. Woo woo.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, मेरी तेरी Christmas to all of you.
Woo.
And मैं पहले इस एपिसोड के शुरू होने से पहले बोलना चाहूँगा I'm really sorry Slotu, I didn't get you a cap. I'll get you a cap next time.
You can give your cap.
No. But yes, welcome to episode number 5.
You look so funny. I can't take you seriously.
You don't need to take me seriously, bro. So, Rohini,
Yes.
how is your Christmas going on?
Awesome.
Christmas break,
Christmas break, yeah.
So during Christmas, these 2 weeks, we have like a shutdown on most of the companies and most of the works. Can't say about every workplace, but
Yeah, most of
my company is off for 2 weeks. So holiday time.
Woo.
But yeah, it's a very nice 2 weeks. And the weirdest part of staying in Australia during Christmas is it's hot.
Yeah, it's
And-
a summer Christmas here.
Yeah, and then when you listen to all those Christmas songs, you just
Yeah.
can't relate.
You just can't relate because
Yeah.
it's very hot here.
Yeah, Christmas song is all about snow and stuff, and then
Yeah.
look at us wearing our t-shirts.
That's why this is our outfit for
Sitting-
today's podcast. Yeah, because when we used to watch all those Christmas movies, it's like cozy,
Cold, snow,
hot chocolate.
hot chocolate, yes.
Can't relate.
And Santa coming in this big outfit, you
Yeah.
know. Here Santa comes in cut sleeves.
Where have you seen Santa here? No, yeah, I have never seen a Santa. here.
I've seen Santa, but like when you go to the malls and stuff,
Oh, yeah.
you see there's a person dressed as Santa.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
poor that guy, man. Like that person has to wear all these thick clothes
Yeah,
during
it's crazy. It's like 30
yeah.
degrees, 25, 30 degrees.
35 degrees on a
Yeah.
hot day. But yes, Christmas is here.
Yeah. So, what did you do for Christmas?
So on the weekend, I went to my mate's place, and all of our friends were there. You were there as well.
Yes.
And it was really nice to get together with everyone.
Yeah, it was actually
during
a
such
fun night.
yeah during such festivals and stuff, and not just Christmas. Diwali, Holi, any festival. We all try to get together as much as possible, and then Christmas was another one of those where we had a barbecue. And then, we all sat together, shared memories, and
Played some games.
played
it was
games.
a fun night.
Yeah.
Yes. And that's what we do. Last year also we did the same. We
Yeah.
went to his place and it was a blast.
Yeah, we did another thing last year where we all went for shopping, where we had like a budget of like
Oh.
$20, and then we all
What
had
is
to
that
like
called?
get something. It was kind of a secret
Secret Santa, yeah.
but it wasn't like on a very big scale. But yeah, it was similar.
It was fun. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
We got so many I didn't know who was getting what for me, and I don't know
Yes.
who was getting me. So it was fun. I think that's
Who was getting you?
who was getting me gift. So it was kind of fun.
Yeah, no, it was really fun. But so yeah, festive season is here, and we thought let's talk about festivals today, Rohini.
Yes.
So, what is your favorite festival? Can I guess?
Yeah, go for it.
The Kerala festival where you get money.
If you still don't know the name of that
Vishu!
festival, good job.
Yes!
Good job. You get that.
I remember Vishu. Vishu is your favorite because you get money.
Yeah, that is good. But I feel Onam is a lot of fun when
Yes.
you're with family and friends. And I also I used to love Diwali and Holi. So I think till 9th standard I used to play
Yeah.
Holi a lot. And then I don't know, after some point everyone stopped playing Holi. I don't know, for some reason.
Yeah.
But I used to have
because
so
you
much
just
fun.
grow up at that time, and then you just don't want to go out maybe
And
on
also
Holi. And then with girls, you want to take care of your skin and your skincare routine. So you're like, oh, we don't want to have colors on our face.
And what happened? Wait, chill. What happened to you? No, I think during the time of Holi, we used to have exams.
Yes.
And everyone used to be stressed.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
So that was the reason after 8th or 9th standard, I have stopped playing Holi for some reason. I mean, this was the reason. But Diwali, I used to enjoy a lot because we used to celebrate like a week before.
Yeah.
You know, you can relate. Like we used to get a lot of crackers
Yes.
and food, a lot of food. And I used to live in a society, so we were, like kids of my age, we used to have, we used to blast crackers and a lot of food. Yeah, so that was fun. That was my favorite festival. Onam is also fun, but Onam was with my family mostly. But after coming here, last year Onam was really, really good. And
Yeah,
I
it
had
was.
so much fun.
I wear Mund on that day.
Ooh.
If you guys haven't seen that video, do check our Instagram.
Do check our Instagram
Yeah.
page. Dual Pixels. Let's go, guys.
Hashtag #DualPixels.
Hashtag Dual Pixels.
But yeah, that's good. I think for me as well, like Diwali, Holi were like the major festivals.
Yeah.
But I also used to like Dussehra a lot.
Dussehra.
Yeah, like so what we used to do when we were kids were all of us friends, we used to get together and then used to make Ravan, and then we used to put like lots of firecrackers in it, and then we used to take it to, on the day of Dussehra, we used to take it in a park, parak,
Parak.
and then we used to like erect it there and then burn it down. And
So I think that's why you liked it. There's a lot of construction.
and lots of
then
construction,
burning.
and then
Wow.
in the end you just burn it down.
Burn it down.
You know, you build it up to burn it back down. But
That sounds sad. Anyway.
But
yeah, but
it used to be
I've never
fun.
celebrated Dussehra.
But you might have gone to some Dussehra
Yeah.
Mela and stuff, and they are also fun. Like you see, sometimes like you see a giant Ravan figures, and then they just burn it down. There
I don't
used to be
think I have
fun,
ever seen that.
bro.
I have seen in photo movies and stuff, but I've never seen that.
I reckon that's what I have to do for you next time if we are in India during next time if we are in India during Dussehra, I'm gonna make sure I take you to one of those Dussehra melas.
Melas.
Yeah, especially in Delhi. And yes, and I think for me even Diwali used to be Deva.
I think
Hashtag Gorafied क्या बोलते हो उसको क्या हो गया मैं वो white wash.
Hindi.
Nahin. But during Diwali was also a very fun time. Like even like it was a built up, right? From Dussehra and to Diwali, it was
So
like a
much
whole
fun.
period. And I reckon all of us used to be in our on our streets and then just bursting crackers. हमने एक बार वो होता है ना सीवरेज का जो एक वो ढक्कन होता है उसको पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं, पर उसमें हमने बड़ा सा बम रख के वो तोड़ दिया एक बार.
God.
और फिर अब भाग गए वहां से.
So
But-
the best part of Indian festivals is that most of the festivals goes for like a week or 10
Oh
days.
yes.
You remember because in Onam also it goes till 10 days, and on the main 10th day is the main Onam. So
Yes.
similarly for Diwali as well.
Yeah. Like Diwali is like massive, right? Like
How
you have Dussehra, then you have Diwali, and then before Diwali you have Choti Diwali.
Oh yeah, that's
Then
what.
the main Diwali,
So
and
much
then
fun.
next day of Diwali also there is something which
Yeah.
I don't remember what it's called, but like there's lots of festivals.
Mini festivals
Yeah.
before the main festival.
Yes, and so yeah, if any of you guys know exactly what those festivals are, please comment on the video so we can learn a bit about it as well.
Yeah.
We know it, we have celebrated them, but we just don't remember it right now. Sorry.
That's fine.
काट दूंगा इसको मैं.
I was thinking the same, but I was scared to say.
But-
And I feel I was about to say something. Ek second.
Even like Holi used to be fun. Like I don't know how it used to be where you were from, but where I grew up, there I don't know, it was some kind of ritual or something. I don't know. All the kids who had like bikes or Activas, वो हम अपना ना उसका silencer उतरवा देते थे. तो when you remove the silencer, तो उसका आवाज़ थोड़ा अलग आता है. लाइक साइलेंसर का काम होता है कि वो उसके इंजन की आवाज़ को थोड़ा साइलेंट कर दे. तो इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी लाउड नॉइज ऑन बाइक्स एंड द स्कूटीज एंड ऑल. एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू मेक लाइक बिग ग्रुप्स. एंड देन हम वो बिग ग्रुप्स बना के ऐसे वो गलियों में घूमते थे, मुंह पे ऐसे कलर वलर लगा के. आई डोंट नो ये क्या था. इट वाज अ रिचुअल और आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट वाज, बट लाइक
व्हेन यू बॉयज,
या जस्ट बॉयज. बट इसमें मज़ा बहुत आता था. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज अ पार्ट वेयर लाइक वो सब हम ऐसे करके जब जाते थे तो जो छोटे बच्चे होते थे उनको मिलता था कोई टारगेट जिसके ऊपर वो अपने पानी के गुब्बारे फेंक सके या पानी फेंक सके.
वो सब मैंने भी किया.
यू नो, तो व्हेन वी वर किड्स तो हम भी उन लोगों पे जब ऐसे वो गलियों में जाते थे तो हम भी उन पे ऐसे पानी के गुब्बारे फेंकते थे. फिर जब हम बड़े हो गए फिर हम पे ऐसे फेंकते थे. तो I think it was like give and take. So
it's all
I think it was, but it was fun. Like I've only done that once. Like when I was in my 12th standard. But it was fun. You got to do it once, you know.
And the best part of after coming to Australia, you get to celebrate a lot of festivals.
Yes.
Don't you feel that?
Yeah, I do celebrate everything now.
Everything. Because for everything we are looking for a chance to meet our friends and have dinner together.
Yeah.
And if there's a holiday, it's perfect. And if it's a long weekend and all, we just want to catch up with our friends and go for a trip or something.
Yes.
And it doesn't, I mean, it matters if it's a festival, it's a great thing, but we actually celebrate a lot of festivals here.
Yeah, it's true. I think I celebrate more festivals here because I celebrate my North Indian festival, let's say, I'll call them, and then also some from your state.
Yeah.
And then also some of these Aussies festivals as well, right?
Love that.
Especially Christmas. And then, so it's far more things that we get to do here for sure. But the other part which I used to love about festival was food.
For sure.
How did we talk about food yet?
That's surprising. We always talk
Bro,
about food.
Tell me, what was your Diwali dinner types of thing? What did you used to usually have?
Okay, I think my favorite was gujia.
Yeah.
Which used to come during Holi.
Yes.
So because there were a lot of North Indian people who used to live around, so they used to give us gujia, not that my mom used to make. And then we used to make something and give them, you know. And then and also dahi vada.
Yeah.
Dahi vada is my favorite.
Yeah, my mom used to make dahi bhalla on Holi, like every Holi. And that was the only day when we used to get to eat dahi bhalla was Holi.
Yeah.
And we used to like wait for it to like when we will get that dahi bhalla. And then also, yes, gujia used to be like a go-to Holi snack, man.
Gujia is so comforting.
And what are your thoughts about Son Papdi during Diwali?
Okay.
It's a controversial topic, yeah?
I have never hated Son Papdi. But I have started not hating is a strong word, disliking it when everyone was giving Son Papdi. Every other person used to give Son Papdi.
Yeah.
That is when it started.
Yeah.
But I used to like Son Papdi.
Even, to be honest, I still like Son Papdi.
Yeah.
I don't mind Son Papdi.
too.
But what happened at one Diwali when I was a kid, we had a lot of Son Papdi, right? And me being a kid, I went and ate it all.
Oh God, you do that. I can imagine.
I ate like 4 boxes of Son Papdi in one day. And since then, I don't eat it much. I think मेरा उस दिन हो गया था.
What's your favorite sweet dish?
My favorite sweet. Oh.
Yeah, sweet. Because you are a sweet tooth.
I would say milk cake and Kaju Katli. They're both very same-ish. They tie for number 1, milk cake and Kaju Katli. Yeah.
Okay.
And then मेरी माँ के हाथ का हलवा.
Halwa?
I'm kidding. She used to make
But I
really
used
good
to like
halwa.
puri halwa.
Yeah, puri halwa and uske sath kale wale chane.
Yeah.
Oh, kanjak, bro. That was that what
I
used
used to go there.
Yeah, lucky you, bro. Like I don't understand. Like explain me why. Like on Raksha Bandhan, on Kanjak, why do girls get money, or let's say gift?
Gifts.
Why is not there a festival?
But I think now
where-
you can tie Rakhi to your sisters and you can give gifts to each other. It's fine.
to each other.
Yeah.
My sister doesn't do it. If you are listening to this, Behna, make sure you give me a gift.
Yeah, I think now when there's a girl's household,
Yeah.
they tie each other. I mean, they tie Rakhi
Bro,
for
it's
each
a
other.
girl's
And,
household. You tied
yeah,
one
when
another.
you have a sister and when you have a guy, I don't think they get the gift.
All right, so with
Last.
that, we are on that segment of the podcast where we do Kahani of the Week.
Yuvraj loves this. What is this?
All right, so I think this week we have a common Kahani.
What is that?
That is, I think, Rohini, you should tell about it.
Yeah, so
Because it was a surprise for you.
It was a very cute surprise. I have never been to a drive-through movie experience. I've never had that experience, and
Yeah,
it was
so-
my first time.
Who doesn't know what a drive-through movie is? It's where you take your car and there's a big screen and you watch the movie from inside of your car.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a great experience. It's 10 on 10, and we went. So Yuvraj planned this whole date night for me because I've never gone there and I've never had that experience. So yeah, we went there. We went for Zootopia 2.
Yes, good movie.
Awesome movie, very cute movie like Zootopia 1, and it was really
Yeah.
fun experience.
And if you
because-
can't tell, I like cartoons.
So yeah, Yuvraj planned this cute date for me and it was awesome experience. Thank you so much. I had so much fun.
That's good.
And
Yeah, night was fun.
it was fun, but it started around 8 o'clock because the sunset happens after 8.
Yeah.
But we saw a beautiful sunset and I
Yes.
think it's a great experience.
It is,
Everyone
yes.
should go there and we should go there more often.
For sure.
Yeah, that was my kahani of the week.
Our Kahani of the Week, Rohini.
Okay.
Yes. And yes, with that, thank you so much for watching us,
Thank you
guys.
so
We really
much.
appreciate you have made it to episode 5. And I hope you will be still here for the episode 500. With that,
I like that. I'll take that.
please like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe to our
And
channel.
ciao.
Please.
Bye bye from Slaughter.
Please, guys. Sorry for shouting.